Smooth skin feels amazing, but how do you actually get there? If you're thinking about waxing but don't know what to expect, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about waxing, from start to finish. Waxing is a popular method of removing hair from the root. It gives you longer lasting results than shaving. Many people wax areas like legs, underarms, brows, and even the bikini zone. But the idea of hot wax and sudden pulls can feel intimidating. Let's demystify the process and help you feel prepared. There are two main types of wax: soft wax and hard wax. Soft wax is spread thinly and removed with a cloth strip. It's ideal for larger areas like legs and arms. Hard wax hardens on the skin and is pulled off without a strip. It's gentler and great for sensitive areas like the face or bikini line. For the best results, your hair should be at least a 1/4 inch long. That's about the size of a grain of rice. Exfoliate gently one day before your appointment. Avoid applying lotion, oils, or deodorant on the day of waxing. Clean, dry skin helps the wax stick better and work more effectively. Your esthetician will cleanse the area and apply wax in small sections. You'll feel warmth as the wax goes on. Then comes the quick pull, which can sting, but only for a second. They may press down on your skin afterward to reduce discomfort. Taking deep breaths can help you stay relaxed. Most people find the process faster and less painful than expected. After waxing, your skin may feel sensitive or slightly red. Apply aloe vera or a cooling gel to soothe the area. Wear loose-fitting clothing to avoid friction. Skip hot showers, workouts, pools, and saunas for at least 24 hours. Avoid touching or scratching the waxed area to prevent irritation. The pros: smooth skin, less regrowth, and no razor bumps. Waxing can also make hair grow back finer over time. The cons: temporary redness, possible ingrown hairs, and yes, a bit of pain. But for many, the smooth results are worth it. Avoid waxing if your skin is sunburned or broken. If you're using retinoids or acne medications, waxing might not be safe. It's best to avoid waxing during your period, as skin sensitivity is higher. Always consult your esthetician if you're unsure. Waxing is more than just hair removal, it's about self-care and confidence. Knowing what to expect helps reduce fear and discomfort. If you found this guide helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more self-care tips. Stay smooth, stay confident, and we'll see you in the next one.